Okay, so this is a video of how to massage and stretch kitty cat. So one of the first things we can do is just some gentle circular movements. I'm going like this along Hoshi's spine, just above her shoulder blades. Good girl, and you can use two hands. I'm gradually adding a bit of pressure, so if you see on the bedspread, I'm starting in like this and then working into more moderate pressure. So you can start soft and go into a little bit more to start to release some muscle knots. And so I'm taking my thumbs and working along the top of her shoulder blade here. Good girl. If your cat wants to lie on their side, that's helpful, but they don't have to. And then to work into scapular depressions or moving the shoulder blade around, we're going to find the front of the shoulder right here. And then the shoulder blade is going to go like a triangle. So we've got the top of the triangle here and comes along the shoulder or the spine, and then the front of it is here. So we've got a triangle and we're going to grab the top of it and just pull down gently. And if you can get your kitty to relax their head, we can stretch out the neck muscles a little bit more. We could always go like this to relax first. Good kitty. So we can work slowly between the top of their head and the shoulder there. There's muscles that run all along the side of their neck, just like ours. And then as we start to work into stretching the legs out, we can work into stretching forward. Good kitty. Like this, and start to massage the triceps a little bit. Go gently with Nala, since this is an uncomfortable movement for her. Good. And your cat should overall be enjoying this. Good girl. If they get a little antsy, you can either let them take a break or go into more just petting. And then to stretch the front leg, hold on, Hosh. We're going to bring the elbow back by the body and then slowly straighten the elbow. You're not going to get full extension here. This will stretch the biceps along the front of the leg. And you can also just take the front leg and move in circles to help loosen up the shoulder, nice and slow. If Nala finds this is uncomfortable. Hoshi likes to have her belly rubbed, but not all cats do, so this may be a little uncomfortable for some cats. We like the belly. Okay, so back legs, and we can continue to massage down the spine, and you can even take the skin and pull, not quite like you're scruffing, but pulling the skin away from the muscles is a myofascial release technique. Okay, let's turn over, Hosh. Good girl. And you can always mix up your techniques. So again, we can do nice long strokes down the back. Good girl. And then go back to circles. And then pulling the skin gently along the spine. Good girl. Okay, so moving on to back legs. Hold on, hold on. So to stretch, we can again massage all around the hip. To stretch hamstrings, we're going to bring her knee up by her body where it already is, and then slowly bring her back foot forward. Okay. Nice and slow. Good girl. Good girl. It always helps to have a second person, as you can see, to distract, or you can give her a treat from time to time. But hopefully as she starts to feel that this is going to help relax her, she should come to enjoy massage time. And then to work on extending the hip, this is actually where Hoshi's a little bit tight, so I'm going slower. Her muscles on the front of her thigh are a little tense here because Hoshi has some arthritis in her hips. So I'm just going to start a little massage, and I'm slowly extending her hip back as the muscles relax. So it's very important to follow along with your cat's movement and don't try to force any stretches. Go nice and slow. Good girl. And you can always switch sides if they want to get up and move. You can move. So just do a few minutes at a time until your cat gets used to this a little bit more. And just end with some nice long strokes. And your cat should feel like this is nice quality time.